No. No. No.
That's my carpet.
Ryder, no.
Ryder, no.
Ryder, no.
Give me back my carpet.
Can't wait.
Come here. Give me that. Give me that. Give me. Oh, the hair, huh? You like the hair, don't you? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Come on. That's right. Come here, Ryder. Come here. Oh my gosh, you are such a turd. Come here. Come here. I'm gonna make you mad. I'm gonna hold you like this. I'm gonna make you mad. Come on.
Hi, booby. Oh, baby. Go get him.
Come on.
Oh.
She's tired now. Look at the camera. Come here, baby. Come on.
Come here. Come here. You're so good.
Let's go get water. Ryder, come on. She's gassed, huh? Go. Go. Go.
Oh, aren't you the cutest baby ever?
25 minutes outside of Las Vegas, and we broke down. My mom's car just stopped going. We've been trying to get a tow truck out here. It's like I'm sweating my entire body off right now, as you can tell. It's like 109 right now, and it's probably hotter in the car because we don't have air conditioning. So yeah, we're just SOL right now. I don't know what to do. I'm gonna keep trying tow trucks. Let's see. I'm on the north. I was going north on the Mojave Freeway.
No. It feels like an earthquake when it does that. It's scary.
Looked at it. Let me see if it's safe. It's hot.
It's so hot.
Sweating. It's 113 inside the car. Ridiculous.
So like we keep putting the car on just to run the AC for as long as we can let it, and then the car starts rumbling, and then it just like stalls and stops. But luckily we got a tow truck, and it should be here in like 45 minutes, I think. Which isn't too bad. We were able to get the car
off the side of the freeway.
And into a McDonald's parking lot.
But it's still gonna be a nightmare. We gotta figure out how to get picked up.
Yeah.
See if we can ride with the guy, because there's no Ubers in Vegas right now because of COVID. So we're gonna be hitchhiking if we can.
We are not hitchhiking. Oh my god, I looked really scary there because the light didn't adjust for a second. We are absolutely not hitchhiking. Mainly because I've watched one too many true crime like episodes, and like everyone gets murdered when they hitchhike. So that's like a rule. Everyone knows that. So we're not doing that. But yeah, so far this has been a very interesting trip. Definitely not boring, that's for sure.
Yeah, we're only like, not even, well, now we're about 5 hours into the trip, and yeah. Should have been at the hotel, but no. I just feel like crying. This is terrible. This sucks. It's so hot. I think I got swamp butt. I can't cuss because it's kid friendly, but swamp butt is when your butt is sweating so much that it's wet. My butt crack is wet and it's terrible. Or a motor mount, so that is not going to be cheap.
Awesome.
My mom was supposed to get the car serviced before we took it, but my mom didn't get the car serviced, so now we're stuck here in her car.
We couldn't take my car because I'm also one of those people that take forever to get their car serviced, and my car needs to be serviced.
But we might be carless in Vegas and Uberless.
Well,
I don't know what we're gonna do.
No, I think it'll be better once we like get actually at the hotel.
In the
I think.
city,
Yeah.
I think because we're still far out of the way.
In the middle of butt leap nowhere.
Literally. Literally.
Okay.
We're flying next time.
Yeah, I said
that might not be a bad idea when we were doing this. Maybe we should have flown. And you're like, nah, it's okay. And I'm like, no, it's not. It was so hot. It was terrible. Get that camera.
I'm trying to be positive. Keep a positive outlook.
Paparazzi.
This isn't too bad.
It's an earthquake, yes, for that.
Like, it sucks, but like, we have each other.
No, we don't. I'm alone. It's not even that warm yet. I thought it was gonna be so hot.
I was shocked too. I'm just glad we're no longer on the side of the freeway. Yeah. That was horrible. I was getting super hungry and I was like, what if I have to pee? I was like, I could always pee on the side of the road, but I don't really want to do that. I've had to do that before.
So we're at the Prim Mall waiting for the tow truck. But yeah, so we're gonna be here for like 3 hours waiting for the tow truck. And figure out how to get to Audi since they can't drive.
Just a little update, guys. So we came back to the car and we were on the phone with the tow company, and at first they said it would take 3 hours, but the tow driver could only take one passenger, so we were like, and then they called back and said that they had another driver that was closer to us and could take 2 passengers. So Gavin is on the phone with him right now and just helping him find us, and hopefully we will be at the Audi dealership soon so that they can figure out what's wrong with the car, and then we're praying that they'll give us a rental car so that we can finally get to our hotel.
It's too hot. Tow truck just got here. We about to get towed to Audi and deal with them now.
Yay! You look cute.